Perfecto. Now, in answering professional education, think of yourself as a teacher. Mabait na teacher, matulungin na teacher, maganda at gwapong teacher, magaling na teacher, ayan. So think of that, okay? So in every question, alam mo kung sino ka. Kung estudyante ka, estudyante ka. Okay? Kung principal ka, principal ka. Sa number 6 na ito, you are a student. Sige nga. I want every pupil to cope up with my lesson. Which technique can I help me to achieve it? Kung ikaw yung estudyante, kung ikaw yung teacher, haluin mo yan. Ano yung magiging technique mo dyan? Okay, marami nag-letter D. Thank you, Ma'am Nur Aliha. Ma'am Sir Roji Zamora, letter D. Okay, kay Ma'am Jasmine, letter D din. Okay. Parang nahihirapan akong bigkasin yung ibang pangalan po ng mga attendees natin. Pero okay lang po. No problem for that. Okay, letter D. Okay, let me have that. Letter D, may nag-letter C. Okay, letter D, yung karamihan games and stimulation. Now, you are a teacher, right? You want every pupil inside your classroom to cope up with your lesson. Of course, letter B, hindi yan kasali from showing. Wala yan, walain natin yan. Okay? Mas lalong wala yung letter C. Ano ba yung ang film showing? Ang film showing kasi you are just showing it. Okay? Just to learn from the movie or from the film. The mnemonics can make you remember. Okay? Can make you remember. Now, letter A or letter D. Ito maganda. Pagbibigyan ko kayo ng chance to think critically about it. Now, hindi ko alam kung maglilipat ako kayo ng sagot, but sige lang, bigyan ko kayo ng chance. At bakit yan talaga yung sagot nyo? Pwede kayo mag-stay sa sagot nyo, but I'm giving you chances. Sa let, walang chances eh. Di ba? Okay. Be sure pag naglipat kayo or nagstay kayo, you have your diction na ito talaga yung sagot ko, di ba? Ayan. Yung lumipat hindi kayo loyal ah. Lagot kayo sa mga boyfriend girlfriend hindi kayo loyal. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, letter D. May nag-letter D, very good. May gustong mag-stick ng letter A. Okay. Letter A kay Ma'am Venus. Okay. Okay. Most of you, or ayan, halo na naman yung opinion ng ating mga top notchers dito. Okay. Wala yung letter B at letter C. Titingnan natin. You are a teacher at magaling kang teacher. May technique ka eh. Kung paano mo sila makapag-cope up ng lesson mo. Every pupil every pupil. Now letter D, let's have that. Games and stimulation. Maganda yung games, nakikipaglaro ka. Maganda yung stimulation kasi they are active participants. Pero may nakakalimutan ka. Pagkatapos ba ng games at stimulation na pinapagawa mo, do you think everyone cope up with your lesson? Hindi. That's why the answer is letter A. Okay? Games and stimulation is very effective when you want everyone in your classroom to participate actively. Okay? Yung gusto nilang, yung parang interest nila gumagana. Yan yung for games. Pero it does not follow na magka-cope up sila ng lesson mo. Every pupil kasi pwedeng gusto nila ng games, pero hindi sila gusto ng lesson mo. Gusto lang nila ng games mo. Di ba? Do you experience that? Gusto lang nilang maglaro, pero pagdating na ng lesson mo, hindi eh. Hindi na sila attentive. That's why the answer is peer instruction. Paano yung peer instruction? I know you can experience this. In a classroom, nagtuturo ka ng math. Okay? You are a teacher, nagtuturo ka ng math. Ngayon, gusto mo every pupil to cope up. Paano yon? You have to partner yung magaling sa math sa hindi magaling sa math. Ipa-partner mo sila. Okay? Hanggang nakita mo na bawat isa, they can discuss together. Kung nahihirapan yung isa, pwedeng magturo yung isa. Mag-share ng ideas, makapag-discuss, at yung maganda, they can discuss also with the teacher. Okay? Malalaman mo pag may isa dyan na hindi pa nakakapag-cope up, malalaman mo yan kasi lahat na partner eh. Di ba? So therefore, you can teach the remaining one. You are making sure that everyone walang naiiwan sa laylayan. Everyone is coping with the lesson. Pag may nahihirapan, may magtuturo na mas magaling sa kanya. Okay? We experienced this during our high school kasi nga ang napaka difficult ng math namin sa high school eh. Kaya gayon, we have peer instruction. Okay? So that's letter A. Hindi po siya letter B, but excellent try po sa lahat ng sumagot. Okay? So letter A, peer instruction po yan. Good. Are you learning? I'm very happy that you are getting better right now. Okay? That's letter A, peer instruction. Next,